Bienvenidos. My name is Jocelyn Turan. I work for the Community Action Board of Santa Cruz County. And today we're here in Pajaro hosting La Recepción de Pajaro. La Recepción de Pajaro is an event to commemorate the floods that happened last year and to give the community a chance to really share their story, come together and share their thoughts, share their pictures, enjoy some good music, some great food, and spend a great time as a community.
My name's Erica Padilla Chavez, and I have the great pleasure of serving as the CEO of Second Harvest Food Bank for Santa Cruz County, located in Watsonville, California. I am proud to say that I am an alumni of Moreland Notre Dame here in Watsonville and also a graduate of Watsonville High School. With regard to what being an alum of Notre Dame and what the Sisters of Notre Dame taught me when I was young in terms of service. Really, I think that just being a person that understood that service is very much connected to really your faith, the way you practice service in action, being of support to the community of Pajaro, of course, was very much in line with my philosophy of what I am here to do as I continue to serve the community and the communities in need. And in the case of Pajaro, we saw the immediate need for all hands on deck. And so I had the pleasure of helping Sister form the business group here in Pajaro, and of course, to work alongside Sisters of Notre Dame as we help repair the both emotional and physical damage that this flood caused. For many people here in Pajaro, it's nothing more than really a gift for me. I've met so many beautiful people, I have new friends, and I do this with love, and there's nothing greater in life than to do something that you really, really enjoy. So it's been a pleasure for me. As a CEO of your food bank, Second Harvest, I have the honor and the privilege of being in partnership with so many organizations, and one of my beloved organizations, and there's over 50 of them, is the Center for Farmworker Families. What we know to be true of the Pajaro Valley is that we have amazing, loving, very talented farm working community, but we also recognize that they are dealing with many challenges, one of which is food insecurity. So I am absolutely delighted to be of support to the Center for Farmworker Families to ensure that we provide the food needed for the monthly distributions that Anne and the amazing team at the Center for Farmworker Families provide to our farm working community month after month.
I'm Sister Rosa Dolores, and I'm the director of Casa de la Cultura Center. It's a resource center in Pajaro. We have been here like 30 years, and we are the community of Notre Dame. And as the reason basically that we're here, it's a mission for us, a ministry to help this community of Pajaro, Las Lomas, blighted communities that for many years have been neglected. And as most of you may know, last year we had a flood that flooded the whole community. And so this celebration that we're having this afternoon is a first step to begin the healing process of what the whole community has gone through. And we're just very happy because this whole organization was done by the community. And because of this disaster, many good things have happened. For example, we have been able to organize the business communities, and we have over 55 organized businesses organized. And we're in the process of organizing the residents so that together we can have one voice so that the community can be heard. The community will have a chair, a place at the table for decisions that affect them. They can have an input, which the community has never had. And so with this, we are hoping that this will be the beginning of that.